Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the multiband compressor on the track insert and setting a conservative input level. This protects headroom and gives predictable gain reduction. Once inserted, split the bands using the visual crossover points to match your source. For dialogue, choose low, low-mid, high-mid, and high. Make sure to solo each band briefly so you hear what each frequency range contributes. This immediate audition helps you decide which bands need compression versus transparency before moving to threshold, and you now tune thresholds and ratios per band. Lower the threshold until you see 3 to 6 dB on the meter for subtle control, and increase the ratio for more aggressive tightening. Once done, set attack and release. Fast attack for transients you want to tame, slower release to preserve natural decay, then engage look-ahead if needed to catch peaks. Make sure to compare bypassed and process signals. Use parallel blend to retain dynamics while adding control, and fine-tune makeup gain per band to match levels. Finish by matching the processed output level to the dry signal so your ears judge tonal change, not loudness. Once done, listen in context with other tracks and adjust makeup gain or the global output to target your LUFs. If you hear pumping, make sure to reduce gain reduction, lengthen release, or lower the band ratio. If harshness remains, move crossovers slightly or apply a gentle high shelf cut. Finally, save a preset so you can recall this setup as your reference next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.